Choosing the right bookkeeper is one of the most important staffing decisions your business will make. A skilled bookkeeper maintains accurate financial records, manages cash flow, and ensures compliance with accounting and tax requirements. But finding the right person can be challenging, especially in today's competitive job market. Whether you're replacing a long-time team member or hiring for the first time, here are some key factors to consider when interviewing candidates. Education and experience. A good starting point is evaluating each candidate's educational background. Some bookkeepers have degrees in accounting, finance, or business, while others have completed bookkeeping training programs or earned software certifications. Advanced training isn't required, but it can demonstrate professionalism and a commitment to maintaining current skills. Experience and up-to-date accounting knowledge also matter. Most small businesses benefit from hiring someone with several years of bookkeeping experience, ideally in a similar industry or in a business of comparable complexity. Familiarity with U.S. generally accepted accounting principles and applicable tax laws is valuable, even if a candidate isn't a formally trained accountant. Because accounting and tax rules change frequently, you'll want someone who stays current on the latest developments. Technical skills. Modern bookkeepers rely heavily on technology. Ask candidates about their experience with your specific accounting program and related tools, such as payroll systems, tax software, budgeting applications, artificial intelligence tools, and spreadsheet programs. If you're open to changing systems, experienced bookkeepers can often recommend software solutions that improve efficiency and visibility. A bookkeeper's ability to adapt to new technology or automate manual processes is often just as valuable as his or her ability to keep the books balanced. Compliance awareness is another important factor. Many bookkeepers manage or assist with payroll filings, sales tax reporting, Form 1099 preparation, and other compliance tasks. Even if you rely on a CPA firm for final tax returns, your bookkeeper's understanding of the underlying rules drives the work's accuracy and timeliness. Someone who's handled these responsibilities in previous roles will likely require significantly less training and supervision. Oversight and planning abilities. Strong bookkeepers do more than record transactions. They can also help streamline daily operations. Ask candidates about their experience closing the books each month, preparing timely financial statements, reconciling accounts, minimizing workflow bottlenecks, and supporting audit requests. Some bookkeepers also take on higher-level financial responsibilities. For instance, they may prepare budgets, forecasts, or weekly management summaries. These skills can be particularly valuable because they may help relieve you of some strategic planning tasks and provide a sounding board for major business decisions. Some candidates may even have training in forensic accounting, which you can leverage to tighten internal controls and reduce fraud risks. Soft skills. Technical skills are only part of the hiring equation. A bookkeeper works with sensitive financial data, so trustworthiness, confidentiality, and sound judgment are essential. A bookkeeper also interacts with vendors, employees, customers, and your outside accounting firm, so strong communication and collaboration skills matter. Consider whether candidates can explain financial concepts clearly, are organized and proactive, and maintain professionalism. Discuss how they've handled reporting discrepancies or audit adjustments in previous roles. You might even present a recent accounting challenge from your business and ask how they'd address it. When assessing competency, you may find that a candidate's problem-solving approach often reveals as much as his or her resume. Long-term potential. Even the most experienced bookkeeper may struggle if their working style doesn't align with your business or mesh well with your existing staff. The ideal candidate will demonstrate leadership qualities, a willingness to take initiative, and a desire to grow with your company. When searching for the right candidate for this critical position, a thoughtful hiring process can prevent costly turnover, reporting errors, and frustration down the road. In addition to helping brainstorm questions and referring qualified candidates, we can temporarily handle your bookkeeping tasks. Contact us for guidance during your search.